Hey guys, it's Kate here. Hope you have an amazing day. Hope you poppin'. How is it going? And I hoping you are dabbing and a dabbing. So, let's jump right into the video. Sorry, I'll do that again. Let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I have found Escape a Mario obby, but from before I should already have it open. But, well, this is settling. I'll tell you guys a funny story. I was playing around trying to record video, but my face cam wasn't compatible. But, it was so funny. I just heard someone go, hello, through my window, and I was like, who the heck? Okie dokie. Oh, obby. Why isn't my space bar? Oh, that's the burger. I mean, what are we even playing? Oh, yeah, that's a Mario. Give him a go. Oh. Oh, okay. This is a very, very, very short obby. You can literally just walk through this. This guy was so dumb when he was making this. But you can't walk straight through that. Oh. Enter. Oh, is this where it's going to get hard? Is this where it's going to get... Oh, by the way, sorry for not talking earlier. I was just concentrating so much. Oh, is it teleporting me? Okay, so apparently that I have... Oh! Ew. Oh, sorry for not talking. I forgot I was here.
Doors are closing. Please do not lock the doors.
It's called Escape the Plane Crash. The doors aren't closing. Are we in space? No, like, actually. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. I do not know what's happening. Oh! We're dying. That's great. Oh, okay then. Well, this video hasn't gone for that long. So, what other thing? This video is going to be titled Roblox slash. Can you guess what it is? Ready? Wait. I just need to quickly grab that back up in case I need to start again. But, okay, guys, guess what it is? Animal beams! Let's get straight back into where we jumped off with. Don't mess with the gecko, you get a pecko. Mess with the gecko, you get a pecko. That? Okay then. I've seen this one. Drop out of school. Read Wikipedia instead. Don't actually do that. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I do have a broken toe. So, yay, I can't go to school. I'm kidding, I've been going to school, but I kicked it today. Now it really flipping hurts. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But I just beat you, and I have rabies. We always have to read that every time. We have to. That's the one that we've just got to read. Are you mocking me? Because I feel like I'm being mocked. Oh my goodness, this dog, no, boom. This dog. This dog is being so mocked. Sorry guys, just wait a second. My hands are so. Where did I just click to? Oh, what's this? Excuse me, could you direct me to the carrot patch, please? Oh my goodness. What's this? Now you're just some bunny. That I used to know. You're just some bunny. It doesn't make sense, but okay. I want a refund. Where rainbows really come from. Those have nothing to do with each other, but cool. Don't worry, I'm not ending the video. I'm not dumb. I'm gonna give 10 minutes. I still got 3 minutes late. Oh my goodness. Does everyone know what to do when your dog deflates? Oh! Dropped my $50 keyboard. Yay. And my $50 mouse. You guys, I just dropped my $50 keyboard and my $50 mouse. Yay! It's just great, isn't it? But does anyone know what to do when dog inflates? So that is not that funny, but I'm gonna say it's funny anyway. This is a seahorse. Your argument is valid. Oh, it's got like a sea gear on. It's a seahorse. I made this. Oh my goodness. That's cute. Okay, guys, but now for real, we actually have to do this. So I'm sorry, but this is what it's got to be. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button, please, 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 and subscribe. And always, oh, sorry, I'll do that again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, a Sade Gucci. See you guys.